If you say you do not like sushi, I do not understand the words that are coming out of your mouth. This video is not about sushi, it is how not to eat sushi. I enjoy eating sushi and I like using the chopsticks, it's fun. I have no idea how to use it, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna try. So this day I was having sushi in a restaurant in Madison. I was eating al fresco. Al fresco means in the open air. So if I'm eating al fresco, it means I'm eating outside in the open air. That's a little bit of vocab from Miss Green Literacy. But yeah, I was not doing a good job getting the sushi from my tray to the soy sauce and back to my mouth. My rice fell right off the sushi and fell into the soy sauce. I had to bring the soy sauce over. Before you ask what is the point of this video, can I just say KB Lamb, Charlie D'Amelio? These people are millionaires from posting videos of nothing on TikTok. So anyway, let's get back to me struggling to get the sushi from my plate into my mouth. So I brought the soy sauce over. Anyway, it was just funny and hilarious for me. Yeah, and I thought this was gonna be enough for lunch. It wasn't. It was appetizer. So I had to have some lobster roll after that. But I really do enjoy sushi. Oh, and everybody says, "Oh, I'm not eating sushi because me not eat